Then Ilakya. Tell me, Ilakya, what do you want to say?
Sir, I can do the next answer.
Can you repeat?
I can do the next chance.
Yeah. First is going to be Daksha, right? Second is Ansika. Note down your numbers. Mayappan 3, Dakshan 4, Chintanika 5, Ilakya 6.
I will do it.
All right. Now, Daksha, here is what I want is I'm going to set the timer. I will set the timer 60 seconds. You should not stop. Nobody should be talking in between. Only that person has to talk. Everyone should listen.
Yes, sir.
After 60 seconds, I will say stop. And she has to stop. But in between, only 1 second she can wait. More than 2 seconds, she should not be stopping her speech. Right? 60 seconds continuous talk. I'm going to. No, that's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say, but before that, let me set up the timer. All right, I'm setting up the timer right now.
Let's see if they are or not.
1 minute. And everyone listen, Daksha is going to go first. Second one is Ansika. You guys have to really take down those numbers properly. Number one, Daksha. You're going to start now. Before I say start, I will give you the topic, very simple topic. But you have to talk on the topic only. You should not stop in between. Till I tell stop, you have to talk continuously.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is the first round. You'll have 2 rounds. First round, without preparation, you have to talk. Second round, with the preparation, you will talk. All right, without preparation. Daksha, your hobbies. Start now. Start now.
My
hobbies.
hobby is to be a master because I like maths. It's a biggest dream to become a fashion designer. It helps us to measure the dresses and stitch it. I like it. Then I'm studying more classes for that, and I'm studying in school, and I'm doing the homework, and I'm studying more and more. And I like math. Another because math is good real world problem we can use in a real life. It will be used in giving prices, getting something for us, and extra. Math is important in our real life because we need to we need to know math because we need to we need to buy something means we need the money.
Stop. Very good. Give her a hand. Give her a hand. It's not easy to really go fast and do this. And her enthusiasm, her spirit, everyone likes it. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Thanks, sir.
Now let's meet her in the second round later. But everyone is going to have second round. Right.
Tell me the topic. I will write it down.
No, I will not. The same topic only, but you will do it later. Okay, but here is what it is, Daksha. She's good. Like I'm going to put a 8 out of 10. She was really going through this. The point is, she converted a subject into a hobby. Wow. Now, good job. Ansika. Are you ready? I'm going to start it. Are you ready? You have to show your face, Ansika. Very important. All right, Ansika. I'm going to give you the topic. 50 seconds without preparation. And when I say start, you have to start. When I say stop, you have to stop. Your topic is your favorite subject in the school. Your favorite subject in the school. Start.
My favorite subject in the school is history because it will be like a lot of stories and it will be interesting to learn about the past and the people of the past because that will be so interesting and very new to find. Their lifetime and our lifetime will be very different, so it's so fun to learn about history. And I also like math because it's full of equations, um and as Daksha told, it's really helpful for earlier life, like commercial math, fractions. It helps us a lot. And then my third favorite subject is English because I like English language. It's very useful for us. So I like English, and that's all.
Oh, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Um, I don't know what is.
See, you should really have that kind of a, because you talked very nicely. But all right, I am stopping this. You stopped very nicely. You should have finished it. Like one, what you want to do, you talked about psychiatry and all, you talked about psychoanalysis, right? And that's a kind of a thing that you want to do in the future, isn't it? You could have connected that with your future, present, past, and future. You could have done it. Uh, because exactly just a minute is minute, 1 minute. Don't worry, and you are going to prepare and do it in the second round. Okay, favorite subject. You can focus on one subject and do it. You don't have to do two or three.
Sir, can I change the hobby?
You can change the hobby, no problem. But you have to be fluent. But it has to be your hobby. Very good, Kansika. Good job. I'm not going to give you a mark here because for 45 seconds you stopped, but you are going to catch up with the second round, right? Second round, you're going to do great. Okay. Make sure till I say stop, you have to talk, everyone. All right. All right. The next person is Mayappan.
Yes, sir.
All right. When I say start, you have to start. You should not stop in between. You should not have a break. And till I say stop, you have to speak.
Okay, sir.
Now, you're going to start now. Your topic is your favorite holiday. My favorite holiday. My favorite holiday. Start now.
My favorite holiday is Sunday because there is more time. I'll play. I will do dancing and something. My second favorite holiday is Saturday because Saturday is sometimes they sleep and we will play together, eat, sing, and go to malls like that. And my third favorite holiday is like for Christmas days, to going out for buying dresses and birthdays for everything. Then my fourth holiday is Holi and Holi, like festivals. So I like it because it's there we can celebrate Holi in our school and everything.
Stop. Stop. Kind of, you did a decent job, Mayappan. I really appreciate you are able to get through this. But there were some fillers. You should kind of reduce it. But I like the way you kept on adding your favorite holidays. You can focus on one holiday and you can expand on it. But being the first round, unprepared round, that's okay. Good job, Mayappan.
Yes, sir.
Super.
Sir,
What is my mark, sir?
Put it down. When we come for the second round, you guys have to be very sharp. You know what your topic is. And you can change the content, but you should not change the topic. So we will see how it is.
sir,
Yeah, Dakshan is next.
sir.
Who is that, Ansika?
Yes, I'm Ansika, sir. Sir, can I write about two subjects?
Yes, you can. You can.
Okay, okay, sir.
Super.
Sir, this is my turn.
This Dakshan, right? Dakshan.
Yes, sir.
All right, Dakshan.
My
Now,
topic is
yes, Dakshan. Now, you have to be very serious, Dakshan. In between, you should not stop until I say stop. And it is going to be something which you already know. So the topic will not be new. I will not give you anything new, a brand new topic. I'm going to give you a topic for yourself, which is different. At the same time, it will be easy topic only. And make sure that you do a good job. Okay. Till I say stop, you have to keep talking. Don't worry about grammar and all. And you think about what you're going to talk and keep. You're going to start now.
Sir, what topic?
Dakshan, your topic is my family. My family. Start now.
I have 4 people in my family. That is a sister, me, and my mother and my father. We are together for a long time. When I am completing college, they will be supporting for my studies and my favorite hobbies like I celebrate festivals with my family, and we will be happy. And my sister like to go to hotel and eat, and we will also enjoy it with her. And my father like being to home, and he likes to read storybooks. We will listen it. My mother likes to cook. She will cook at night every time.
Stop.
And
Stop. Wow. Give me a hand. Very nice. Very, very nice. Good job. Good job. This is what is very, very easily. Very easily, I'll give a 8.5. He was able to do it here. Good job. And he showed a lot of seriousness and a lot of sincerity. This is what you are.
thanks, sir.
Very nice. In the second round, you are going to do great. Now, 2 more to go. And I'm going to go with the Chintanika. Chintanika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Chintanika. So, unprepared round. Take care of it. Don't stop in between. Don't worry about grammar and all. Worry about talking continuously. Fluently, you have to talk. That's all. You can do it, Chintanika. All right. So, and yeah, Chintanika is going to be next. And I'm going to give her a topic.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Excuse me, sir.
Who is that?
Sir,
No, I'm not able to
can
hear.
I go to washroom?
Go ahead and come back. Now, Chintanika is for you. Are you ready, Chintanika?
The topic.
I'm going to give the topic.
Sir, can I go to washroom,
Yeah.
Daksha?
Mine. So
Sir, can I go to
now, Chintanika, my unforgettable birthday. My unforgettable birthday. Start now.
Sir, can I go to washroom?
My
Keep
birthday
going.
is at 8. My birthday is at 8 February 2000. I born on 8 February 2011. My unforgettable birthday is at 8 February 2022. I went outside with my family members. We enjoyed a lot. We went to a trip. On that day, my father registered a land and he bought a land. Um, then we went outside for a hill station like Ooty, and and we went to shopping there. We bought so many chocolates there. I like to eat chocolate. My father gave me some gift. All my family members gave some gift to me, and my special gift was chocolate, which was given by my father. My mother gave a chain, and my brother gave a hero.
Very good, Chintanika. I'm so happy for you. You have done it. Very nice. It's an unprepared round. So my unforgettable birthday, very nicely done,
Thank
Chintanika.
you.
Okay, very good, very good. To complete the first round, I need to go with, yeah. I'll tell you after the round. Now, this is going to be Lakia. Are you ready, Lakia?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, don't give a break, don't worry, you are going to do fine. And I know you are still recovering from your fever, but focus on it. It's going to be a very, very intimate topic, close topic for you. So don't worry, but always remember, you don't want to stop in between, and also you want to go till I say stop. Those two things you have to remember. You should not stop in between. Then you have to go all the way to all the 60 seconds. And
Yes, sir.
even if you fall down, you just get up and keep running till I say stop. All right. somehow try to generate the content, okay? Somehow. Now, your topic now is my brother Indian. My brother Indian. Start now.
So I like my brother a lot because he will be so kind and kindly. If I get fever also, he sees me very kindly and he gives me medicine and he take care me very well. Then my mother, and he even loves me. I also love her. I like my brother a lot. Then my family. My brother is so kind. He always be true to everyone. He studies well. My brother always writes his homework. If I couldn't write also, he writes and give me from me. So I like my brother a lot. He helps me in everything. And if my mother scolds me also, he scolds my mother a lot, and he tells me
Stop.
so kindly.
Wow. Ilakya, very nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I can give you easily 8.5. Very good, very nice. The point is now. Now the thing is, Ilakya, everyone, attention, everyone, take 5 minutes here. Take 5 minutes. Take down the notes. For Ilakya, it's going to be my brother Inian, right? It's going to be for everyone. Don't change the topic. You can change the content. Don't change the topic. Your topic is the same, but take some notes. Have some points, right?
Sir, please change my
I'll
topic,
give you
sir.
5 minutes. Now, same topic, same 1 minute. Till I say stop, you have to talk. Right? Now take 5 minutes, write it down, have a plan. Write it down. Now it's a prepared speech.
Sir, please can you change my topic?
No.